Hi students, happy Diwali to all of you. You might have enjoyed your vacation properly. Today we are starting our next topic of the chapter. We were doing chapter number 9 before vacation. Today we will start from next topic of the chapter number 9. Our topic is why Mendel selected pea plant for his experiment. Mendel studied on pea plant, that is Pisum sativum, for his experiments because this plant was having constructing characteristics, and he selected 7 out of them as follows. Plant size tall and dwarf, flower location axial and terminal, flower color purple and white, pod color green and yellow, pod shape pod यानी फली inflat and constricted, seed color yellow and green, and seed shape round and wrinkled. Now we will see on the screen seed shape round and wrinkled, seed color yellow and green, pod shape flattened and constricted, pod color green and yellow, flower color purple and white, flower location axial and terminal, and plant size tall and dwarf. These 7 characteristics were selected by Mendel for his experiment on the plant, that is Pisum sativum, or it was pea plant. Now dihybrid cross. A dihybrid cross is a breeding experiment between two organisms which are identical hybrids for two traits. In other words, a dihybrid cross is a cross between two organisms with both being heterozygous for two different traits. The individual in this type of trait are homozygous for a specific trait. These traits are determined by DNA segments called genes. In a dihybrid cross, the parent carry different pair of alleles for each trait. One parent carries homozygous dominant allele while the other carries homozygous recessive allele. The offspring produced after the crosses in the F1 generation are all heterozygous for a specific trait. As you can see, capital Y, capital R, capital R, small y, small r. Now this is the P generation. Now here, after combination, resultant will be like that: capital Y, capital R, small r. Now from here 4 gametes will be prepared: capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, and small y, small r. Similarly here also. Now after combination you can see capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, small r, capital Y, small y, small r, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, small r, small r, small y, small r, small r. So here you can see resultant 9, 3, 3, 1. Now 9 you can see where capital Y and capital R is positively present. So these are yellow round. Now 3 you can see yellow wrinkled. As you can see, yellow wrinkled, 3 are yellow wrinkled, 3 are green round, and 1 is green wrinkled. So this is the ratio of dihybrid cross. As we saw in monohybrid cross, ratio was 3:1. In dihybrid cross, where we selected two characteristics, here ratio was Phenotypic ratio was 9:3:3:1. 9 yellow round, 3 green round, 3 yellow wrinkled, 1 green wrinkled. This is showing dihybrid cross. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.